Now, your first alert weather.
Okay, so we've been dealing with some sunshine, some smoke today, but you also felt the humidity. A little bit of humidity goes a long way, as I like to say, in our climate, because, typically we're a dry desert climate. So I know people from Florida and Texas might make fun of us, but when you just start to increase the humidity a little bit, you can feel the heaviness in the air out here, and we can see the thunderstorms beginning to pop. But we do have a few thunderstorms trying to work in here from the west tonight, and we're going to see more scattered thunderstorms later this week. But temperatures will continue their warming trend for at least the next couple of days. Let's go to Jackson right now. Well, of course, the webcam is having a little bit of a fit. There it goes. And as you can see there in Jackson right now, folks out enjoying the mild conditions in Town Square. And we are looking at just a nice smoky sky here for tonight. Unfortunately, the moderate air quality to unhealthy air quality is going to be a factor for quite some time. And as you take a look here at VIPIR radar tonight, what we have is a bit of some wet weather getting just over Arco and out towards Mackey, and then areas out towards Boise and western Idaho up all the way into eastern Oregon. We're seeing some thunderstorms in that direction. Late tonight, we will have some of these thunderstorms trying to get into eastern Idaho. However, many of the thunderstorms right now are drying up as we speak, so I'm not expecting to see a huge amount of wet weather in our neighborhood tonight, but we are getting a few rumbles of thunder late tonight and through the overnight hours. And you can see some of this cloud cover spreading into eastern Idaho, courtesy of that moisture, which is spreading across the state tonight, wrapping around this ridge of high pressure. And if you take a look at the forecast for tomorrow, high pressure is going to be very much in command of our weather here for tomorrow. We're going to keep that high over Nevada and Utah, and we're going to push back on some of that wet weather here for Wednesday. We'll see showers and thunderstorms across Colorado, New Mexico, and Wyoming, with some showers getting across Montana. Taking a look at Thursday's forecast, well, we have an area of low pressure pushing into the Pacific Northwest. That low is going to drop in a cold front Friday, and that's going to drive in some gusty winds and dropping temperatures with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. As we go to the VIPIR-CAST tonight, like I mentioned, we have those thunderstorms out there, and a few of them trying to get overhead here for tonight, but many of them drying up overnight. Through tomorrow, we'll have a few passing clouds here for Wednesday, but generally it's going to be a smoky day for tomorrow with highs into the 80s and 90s. Tomorrow afternoon, there's a slight chance of a thunderstorm, especially in central Idaho and into the foothills and mountains as you get up towards the eastern half of the Snake River Plain, up to, well, I should say east of the Snake River Plain, and then getting up into the national parks. We have a chance of a few thunderstorms in that direction. But the smoke's coming back in from fires burning in North Idaho, Oregon, and California, and that smoke at times getting fairly thick in central and North Idaho with the fires continuing to burn. So we'll look at more of that smoke seeping into eastern Idaho and western Wyoming for the valleys tomorrow. And the air quality, not the best for the next couple of days. We're kind of stuck with it, but we will begin to clear out the air just a little bit with some stormy weather by Friday. 90 for the high tomorrow. Preston, 85 for Lava Hot Springs with highs around 84 for Jackson, 86 for Rexburg, 83 in Island Park with highs into the mid-70s towards Old Faithful. Central Idaho, 89 for Stanley, 92 in Chalice with the upper 80s in Arco. And we have a chance of a thunderstorm late tonight with highs into the upper 80s tomorrow in Idaho Falls, lower 90s in Pocatello, and mid-90s towards American Falls and Burley. In the extended forecast, we're looking at highs here in the upper 80s for Wednesday, lower 90s on Thursday, and we're hanging out into the 70s on Friday. There's the cold front coming through, and we will see dropping temperatures and some gusty winds for Thursday and Friday. Temperatures pick into the 80s for Saturday and Sunday. We'll carry the 80s as we get through the late half of the 8-day forecast, and things are looking to heat up as we get towards Tuesday and Wednesday for next week. Rexburg, a high of 88 for Thursday, down to 74 for Thursday, upper 70s for Saturday. Salmon, you'll see a high of 91 for Thursday, 78 on Friday, with some showers and thunderstorms across central Idaho, and again, temperatures dropping down to the 70s and 80s for this weekend, courtesy of a cold front. Jackson, hazy conditions tomorrow with the smoke, highs into the mid-80s on Thursday, and 76 for the high on Friday, thanks to the cold front that's passing through the region and dropping highs. Pocatello, 93 for the high on Thursday, 79 on Friday, and low to mid-80s for Saturday and Sunday with partly sunny conditions. Overnight lows falling back into the 50s and 60s. Idaho Falls, we'll see highs here into the lower 90s for Thursday. It's going to get pretty hot on Thursday with some spotty thunderstorms, and then we'll see the scattered showers and thunderstorms taking hold on Friday with gusty winds and dropping temperatures, highs into the 80s this weekend. Our John Adams GMC Spirit of Idaho coming to us from Shannon, Wapello. Beautiful shot of prickly pear cactus in the desert there. We need your photos. Go to News 3 Now.